He's using you.
How dare you? Besides, I can take care of myself.
Darren, he's way too old.
What? What? That's what you think?
That's what I think.
You know the solution then, don't you?
Go on.
Next time there's a war, pack up the courage and ask me before somebody else does. And not as a last resort.
Well, that's just completely off the point. Harry.
Alam mo, malagkit na tong carpet mine. Dating dito ganito eh. Kailangan nyo siguro ito ipaano.
Marinis. Ano ba? Hindi na kaya yan. Punas-punasan.
Ano na siya, parang
Siyempre,
malagkit siya. Ano mo din ang gusto?
Tsaka dingno.
Dingno? Bakit yung dingno?
So old, Mommy.
Alam. Tingnan mo, Tit.
Ha? Ito daw niya inom.
Kinsa man eh.